Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to take you along with me to a recent trip to Burlington, and make sure you stay tuned to the end because I have a purchase I would like to share with you. Okay, enjoy.
Okay, so I just purchased 3 items and I just want to share with you. And the first item I purchased from Burlington, from the shop with me, is this diffuser bottle. And I thought it was so pretty. It has a beautiful gold and with some bling on it cross. And it's been a long time since I have any of those diffuser. And I really like those, so I'm going to put this in the bathroom. And I believe the kind is jasmine, peony. So fragrance that's in there. So it's included. And what did I pay for this? I paid $5.99 for this. I thought this was really pretty. And these are 2 lanterns that I purchased, and I just looked outside and I cannot believe the way it is pouring outside. And I, not too long ago, went out there and painted some lanterns that I purchased from Goodwill, and they are both sitting outside. I can't believe this, and I am not going out there in this rain to get them. Oh wow. Okay, so let's continue. I purchased these 2 white gorgeous lanterns from Burlington. Sorry about that. And I thought they were so pretty. They had like the little details on them. And they got all LED. And see how pretty they are? I think they are so gorgeous. And they were $14.99 each. So I purchased 2 of these. And I just want to share with you what I got from this shop with me. And they're going to look really pretty around the holidays. But I just fell in love with when I seen them. That is the lanterns. And I want to thank you all for watching the shop with me. And I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you so much. And if you have not already done so and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. And also, don't forget to hit that notification button that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I love you all. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye bye. It's raining.